Welcome to this detailed look at Modalyst, a premier dropshipping platform designed to simplify and enhance your e-commerce journey. Whether you're running a Shopify, Wix, or BigCommerce store, Modalyst integrates seamlessly to connect you with a network of top suppliers offering high-quality products across diverse categories. From fashion and accessories to home decor and tech gadgets, Modalyst covers a wide range of niches. Setting up Modalyst is straightforward, with its user-friendly dashboard and direct integration options. Once connected, you can browse an extensive catalog of products, add them to your store with one click, and customize listings to match your branding. Modalyst takes the hassle out of inventory management by syncing product availability and pricing in real time. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. Another standout feature of Modalyst is its ability to handle automatic order routing. When a customer places an order, Modalyst ensures it goes directly to the supplier, streamlining the fulfillment process and saving you valuable time. For those concerned about branding, Modalyst also provides a white label solution to ship orders under your store's name. With Modalyst, you can track analytics, monitor supplier performance, and optimize your store's offerings to improve conversions. It is a robust, all-in-one solution tailored for both beginners and experienced dropshippers aiming to scale their businesses. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more in-depth reviews and tutorials.